Welcome to the companion video for Chapter 8, which is about fractions. And the material in this section is, for the most part, not intended to be brand new, but I wanted to make sure we put special emphasis on the fraction content that's being presented through the Common Core state standards, because I have heard a lot of feedback of concerned teachers and I'm assuming parents as well, about the change in the fraction progression related to Common Core. So there's nothing wrong with it, and in fact it hopefully will turn out to be a benefit for students in the long run. You may recall from this chapter that there's actually been research done that shows of all the topics that are covered between kindergarten and grade 8, fractions are cause the most difficulty for students in that whole range from kindergarten to 8th grade. Doesn't surprise me as a teacher, because even during my time as a high school teacher, I found that students still struggled with the idea of fractions. So, to get back to Common Core, why are things being shifted around? And by that I mean not so much what we're teaching, but how soon we're teaching it. Kind of like, what do kindergartners, first graders, second graders, third graders, fourth graders, fifth graders, and so on, what do they need to know about fractions? The short answer to that question is they need to know more at each grade level than they used to. So they need to know more earlier on. So I've heard a lot of feedback about fourth grade students who get to that point and are getting ready to do all kinds of operations with fractions and are floundering because they may not have had the background in Common Core that that has prepared them for the expectations that are there in fourth grade. So if that's your concern, I would encourage you to look on our websites at mathstream.tv and also commoncoremath101.com for additional resources that you might be able to find to help your children if they are struggling with that, with fractions.